Louis Vuitton Diane Satchel. The Louis Vuitton Diane Satchel hasn't gone mainstream yet, which is good because it means that not many people are carrying it. But why is this bag a good investment? First of all, this bag is designed to be a classic thanks to the monogram canvas, and it's a revisited classic model from the 90s. The bag combines vintage details like leather corners and archival-inspired buckle with upgraded functionality like the smart pockets and well-designed interior. The bag comes with a thin leather strap for hand carry, but also a modern and bold jacquard strap that radiates the bold Louis Vuitton signature. The interior comes with one inside zipped pocket and one main compartment. The outside comes with a flat pocket. The strap is 24 cm drop, priced at US $22.30, $2,840 Canadian dollars. The Diane Satchel in monogram canvas revisits a classic model from the 90s, combining such vintage details as leather corners and an archival-inspired buckle with the modern functionality of smart pockets and a well-organized interior. The exclusive wide jacquard strap reverses from a bold Louis Vuitton signature to a subtle monogram flower motif.